Those are the wine covers.
This is a tent.
The corks.
Is this a tent outside? Yeah.
I can't see. Very resourceful, Norris.
Yes. And they broke CDs in half.
Water bottles.
Also, these.
That bottle is used to push it.
No. It's not a chew it. It's not working.
No, it was removed from
No.
one of the
He
boats.
said in French that this was somebody chewing.
No. Look at those under.
It's this one. It's this one. It's this one. It doesn't have. It's this one. No, it doesn't have. No, it's this one.
Okay.